Hi everyone, hope you are good. In this video, I will tell you how to enable the hotspot or how to do the hotspot settings in Vivo Y27. So if you want to learn how to enable the hotspot or how to do the settings, I will tell you all in this video. What you have to do is to follow the step, watch complete video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch it and learn it.